The gunshot. Up and running. The 6 skaters there. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Rajasthan, Delhi, and from Gujarat. Going as a pack as of now. Still a pack. Not much clear. Not clear, a clear order there we see. But yes, now we see a difference coming up, showing up. And now it gets a bit more clearer. Maharashtra, Karnataka, MH47, Karnataka, KA48. MH and KA, Maharashtra and Karnataka, first and second in the position as of now. Going strong. Maharashtra, MH47, Nihita Nishad Manchekar, KA48, Danda Yuvika Reddy, first and second as of now. It's still MH leading. Karnataka very closely following. Maharashtra, Nihita Nishad Manchekar. Very close. Could be a change in the order now. The turn's coming. Challenged from outside. Coming in from Karnataka. Maharashtra still manages to maintain that lead. Though with it's a very small margin. But there's again attack coming from outside. The turn's coming in. And the change in the last lap going on. And there it goes. There it goes. Again a very close finish. Expecting a photo finish. But yes, Karnataka. They should be a bit more careful. I'm sure the team manager, parents get. And there you go. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm sure that she has been briefed about being careful at the start. And here we see Karnataka, Haryana, Kerala, Telangana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab skaters. 5 laps race, 4 to go now. And again, the attack's coming in. UP45 attack ferociously by the skater. Kerala moving in. Haryana. All the skaters. Attack again coming in. 2 laps to go. Kerala leading. Attacks coming in from Haryana. Kerala. KL48. Gauri C. Arun. Still leading. Attacks coming in. Haryana moving in fast. The last lap about to start. And Kerala attack from the inner edge as well as the outer edge. Push to the 3rd position. That's the beauty of this game. Anybody's race. Last few meters. Navigating through the last turn. And now we are starting with the 7 to 9 girls. Pratibha Singh, A. Prithivika, Gauri C. Arun, Siddhika Saxena, Danda Yuvika Reddy, Brijot Kaur, Mande Pudi, Hetha Swi Reddy, and us Ovia in action now. This is 7 to 9 girls finals of rink race 6. In the meanwhile, I'll quickly inform you about the results of 5 to 7 girls finals. Pritha Brijesh Rao won the gold medal. Isha Sharma has won the silver, and Chester Yadav goes back home with the bronze. Back to the current race. It's Haryana. Siddhika Saxena. Going strong. Haryana. Siddhika Saxena still managing to lead the pack. closely followed by Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu TN47, A Prithvika. Well, for the results of 5-7 boys now, the gold medal is won by Dhruv Pritesh Choradia. The silver goes to Divin Ganapati KR, and DJ Dakshit Sendhan takes home bronze medal. And there, with the last lap about to start, we expect actions there. And there they go. The pack. Tamil Nadu, as expected. Pushing in harder. Suddenly, burst of energy. There they goes, Tamil Nadu. TN47, A Prithvika. A Prithvika from Tamil Nadu. About to finish the first semi of the finals, and there she goes.